stop buying expensive Airtel data again, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how you can buy cheap Airtel data for your mobile phone. So follow me to my screen so I can show you the best method to do this. So guys, I'm on my screen, and the first thing that you need to do is to download the Android application that allows us to buy this mobile data for cheap on our mobile phone. So I'm going to go to my Play Store, and then we're going to search for the application called Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here's it. I've already searched for it before, and I'm going to click on this face, Recharge App Instant Top Up. So here is the application, and I'm going to click on it. So if you have not installed yours, you are going to see an install button over here, but I have installed mine. So I'm going to click on open. So I've opened the application, and a notification is going to pop up. If you have read the notification and you understand it, you just need to click on the understood button over here. And right now I'm going to click on the open button. Okay, so we are on our login page on the Recharge app platform, and if you have an account on the Recharge app, all you just need to do is provide your email and then your password, and you'll be able to log in. But for those who does not have an account, you need to click on register now. Click on register now, and then a page will pop up, and then what you need to do is to provide your first name, your last name, your email address, your mobile number, and then create an account for this application. If you have someone who referred you, you can provide the referral code over here, and then you click on register. So I already have my account, so I'm just going to register immediately. So guys, we're right here on our dashboard, and the first thing that you want to do if you are new to this platform, I would advise that you go through the application and check out the services on the Recharge app platform. So if you have any issues or questions, you can check out our blog and guide page. And to do that, you need to click on the hamburger menu over here, the three line at the left hand corner. And once you click on it, a menu will open, and then you navigate to the bottom of the menu where you see the our blog and guide page over here, and you can also find the FAQ over here. So I'm going to click on the our blog and guide page. So a page will open where you're going to see content and articles that will teach you and educate you on how you can use the Recharge app platform better. So right now, we're going to focus on how you can buy Airtel data for your mobile phone. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have funds on your wallet over here. And then if you don't have funds on your wallet, what you need to do is to fund your wallet by clicking on the fund wallet button over here. And then once you click on it, a page will open where you can see your automatic funding account, which is dedicated for you to fund your wallet. So what you need to do is to go to your mobile bank account and then transfer the amount you want to send to your wallet into this account number, and it automatically reflects on your wallet. So guys, the next thing to do is to buy your mobile data. So to buy mobile data for your mobile phone, what you need to do is to click on the mobile data button over here under our service. So once you click on it, a page will pop up. So what you need to do now is to click on the choose service option over here, and then I'm going to choose Airtel CG, and then I will select my plan. As you can see, the prices are over here. So I'm going to choose the 1 gig data for 30 days, and the price for that is 237 naira. I'm going to input my phone number over here. And if you have inputted your phone number, then what you need to do is to input the PIN that you created once you created your account. So if you have inputted the PIN, the next thing to do is to click on the buy now button over here. So once you click on the buy now button, a notification will pop up and to ask you, are you sure you want to buy 1 gig data for this mobile number? And then you click on OK. As you can see, a notification that says your transaction was successful. Then you click on OK over here. I've been debited 237 naira from my wallet balance, and if you can see, this is the notification that shows that my value has been delivered. I've gotten 1 gig data on my Airtel line. So if you got value from this video, guys, leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get valuable videos such as this every week. And I'll see you in my next video.